Welcome to the NetSuite overview on the three-way match and vendor bill approval workflow for wholesale distribution. My name is Ben Gibson, and I'm a solution consultant on the wholesale distribution team here at NetSuite. NetSuite was designed as an integrated suite capable of running all of your business processes. And from a purchasing standpoint, all three transactions from purchase order, item receipt, and vendor bill are matched together automatically within the NetSuite system. And by doing so, saving your business time and money by eliminating the need to manually check for vendor bill discrepancies throughout the period. Additionally, NetSuite provides the vendor bill approval workflow, which flags vendor bills for discrepancies before processing payment. Also, bills with identified discrepancies are automatically routed to the assigned supervisor for review and approval. So for today's demonstration, I'm going to be in roles of both the accounting manager and the controller and walk you through the power of the unified platform to illustrate how you can maintain better control over your accounts payable, all while eliminating cost variances to ensure that you can avoid overpayment. I'm logged in as an accounting manager. It's the end of the day, and I have a new vendor bill that was just plopped on my desk. By using the global search, I can quickly type for the related purchase order, almost as if it's like Google for my company. As I'm reviewing this purchase order, I see that we're getting billed for 250 units instead of the original 200 that's on the PO, and our warehouse recorded 200 units received. Also, the rate was increased to $10 per unit. This is a little strange, but it happens sometimes in our fast-paced business. We have a lot of vendors, and at times, a few can make a mistake along the way. As I enter this vendor bill information, I know that this vendor bill might not necessarily be approved automatically due to the checks that we have in place with our three-way match and vendor bill approval workflow from NetSuite. Once I save this bill, I'm alerted that it is in pending approval status and it has been routed to our controller for a review. Now as a controller, I'm alerted in real time of bills that need to be approved. Once in this bill, I have a few tools to be able to investigate this further. First, I will check for the exceptions on this bill. Next, I can drill into the inventory record to see what the thresholds are for quantities and amounts for this particular item. And in this situation, we went over those thresholds, and thankfully NetSuite stopped this incorrect bill in its tracks. Going back into the Item 360 subtab, I have full visibility into the three-way match and the variances that have occurred. This appears to be an error on our vendor's part. So I will reject this bill and send an email directly from this bill to our vendor, letting them know of the issue. Before NetSuite, my accounting team and I had to waste time stapling our purchase orders, item receipts, and vendor bills together, then visually checking them for any discrepancies, which really bogged down our resources and resulted in cash flow leakage. With NetSuite, we essentially have a virtual stapler and an automated approval workflow to do all the heavy lifting, saving us critical time and, of course, money.